Guys, it's happening. The factory is gonna explode. Okay, I'm just kidding. The factory will start in 30 seconds. Oh my gosh. Can this core die?
Yeah, you might be dead here.
Come on. Turn my husky on.
Hopefully I did high damage. Bro, we're destroying core. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
Please, give me a good fruit. I didn't get nothing? Hey, I just got 100,000 cash. Let's go! That's W. What fruit? Okay, Venom is A-okay. And he's got a spirit fruit. And I'm not gonna lie, spirit is really good for grinding. I mean, he's not really good, but the worst fruit is Rocket, because it's the worst fruit in the game. But all the way down here, the best fruit is Kitsune, the base fruit. Wait, nobody. Okay. What fruit do you have? Let's see. A spider? Hey, I'm not gonna lie, spiders are really good. But it's not even that. How about trading a sound fruit? How about I trade you a sound fruit and I'll reset the spider. And reset. Here we go. Trade. Bro, this guy wanna trade. Nice. Let's see, he's gonna eat the sound fruit. Alright, here you go, bro. Let's see, he's gonna eat the sound. Wait, this guy wanna trade with this guy? Bro, he looks like an angry face. I'm gonna tell him, eat the sound fruit. It's really it's good for people. I'll help you level up a sound. Yeah, I know. He's eating it. Let's go. Okay, let me turn my pilot helmet off. So you can... Wait! I can turn my boot on so you can see me better. Let's go to the boat. Wait, where'd he go? Where are you? Okay, he's at the green zone. I'm right next to the... Oh, he's right here. Okay, let's do the luxury boat deal. Let's buy this boat, and thank you. Now sit down. Now stand still. Oh, he's sitting down. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Alright, let's go to Ice Castle. Hopefully, the Awakened Ice Emerald's here. Alright. Too bad he ate the smoke, but I'm glad he ate the sound fruit. Yeah, sound fruit's really OP. Banana's OP, but Buddha's way better. Portal is really good. That you can teleport anywhere, no boats, no dashing, no running, just teleport anywhere. Anywhere in this island. Oops, wrong way. To the Ice Castle. Bro, I just got the Fast Boats Game Pass, and it's really cool. Alright, I'm at the Ice Castle, and now I'm gonna let you to beat the Awakened Ice Animal. Alright, please tell me he's here. Please, please, please. No! Oh, man! When are you gonna spawn soon? He's not here. Dang it. Why is he even not here, bruh? Bro, when's he gonna spawn soon?